Today we're going to be unboxing the Tineco Pure One X lightweight smart cordless vacuum. So I got this from Walmart.com. It came really quickly. The box is super easy to open. There's one place that you cut the tape, and then it just has these little latches, and it opens like a present. Let's see what we have. The instruction manual, some kind of cleaning tool, some screws, this thing, this I think cleans the pre-filter, some kind of pre-filter cleaning tool. This is the small power head. This is the duster brush attachment. This is the crevice attachment. There's this thing. This must be the wall mount. It's really, like, everything is really small and lightweight. Okay. Here's the power adapter. And then now we'll take out this stuff. This is the large head, power head. Last piece is the handheld part. So cool thing, comes with a charge. That's nice. This tells you how to register to enjoy the VIP perks. I know there's an app that goes with this vacuum too, so I'm guessing that's maybe once you register it, you can get the app. Has a 2-year warranty. Okay. Oh. This yellow sticker says how to remove the filter to clean it. Touchy scene deal. Here and see if there's some kind of a quick start guide on how to put this together. Let's see. Overview, accessories, assembly. Okay. Insert tube. What's this? Oh, it's easy. You can see this thing has to go into that thing. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, there we go. This thing goes into that thing. There we go. Snap. Okay. Brush installation. Insert the power brush. Okay. Dustbin. Oh, it's already on. Okay, I think you're ready to go. This tells you how to put the wall mount on the wall. This thing. There's a little of this. I don't know what this is for. Okay, so this little attachment slid on right here, and this holds these things. That's nice. And then this, the plug plugs in right underneath here, so the cord can go straight down to the plug. That's nice. And now we'll test it out. So it's super lightweight, and it maneuvers like a whole lot. So here we go. attachment and try it on the stairs. Oh, I also point out that it has this little button right here that's like, instead of having to hold the trigger, it just has it on. And it senses if there's dust or not and turns up or down the motor. You can also do just smaller handheld things, like so that it's like this. So I paid $178 for this on Walmart.com, and I'm going to use it like on the stairs and to carry upstairs, which is way easier than hauling the corded vacuum around upstairs. So yeah. If you get one, tell me how you like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.